You have to know this AI tool with just 5 minutes of work daily. Let me show you how it works. Head over to my profile where you can find the AI tool. Next, type your video topic. Let's try, why are billions of dollars worth of ships being intentionally destroyed? Then click on Generate Video. Choose your audience and format for the highest quality. Click Continue. Here is the result.
If you don't like wasting money but still want to know why we destroy ships, then stick around. Ships worth...
Now you just need to download. As you can see, you can't choose the highest resolution and remove the watermark without switching to the paid plan. Like and subscribe for more.